This is Nancy from Dalmia Vidyamandir, Dalmiapuram, Max teacher. Children, already we have seen. Again, I am just going to recall closure property for multiplication and for division. Closure property is true for multiplication of rational numbers, but it is not true for division of rational number. Through this example, I am just going to explain. A by B into C by D. Here I have taken A by B as 1 by 7. I have taken C by D as minus 2 by 3. Multiply numerator with numerator. Plus into minus, minus. 7 3s are 21. So after multiplying two rational number, I got rational number only. So we can say closure property is true for multiplication of rational numbers. Next we are going to see for division. For division means we have to divide A by B divided by C by D. So this one you can write it as like this. Denominator we have one rational number. No, to write on product you have to take reciprocal. Reciprocal of C by D is nothing but what? D by C. Now we have to substitute the value. Instead of A by B what we have? 1 by 7. Divided by, instead of C by D what I have taken? 0 by 1. This one how can we write? 0 by 1 how can we write? In product 1 by 0. Now multiply numerator with numerator. 1 into 1, 1. 7 into 0, 0. Actually any number by 0, what we have to say? It is not defined. So we cannot say closure property is true for division. Except 0 for remaining rational number we can say it is true. But if we take like this means here we got 1 by 0. This is what? Not defined. So we can say closure property is not true for division of rational numbers. So multiplication is closure but division is not closure. Next we are going to check for commutative property for both multiplication and division. Commutative property is true for multiplication but it is not true for division. I am just going to recall you through this example. Here I have taken A by B as minus 5 by 6, C by D as 8 by 9. So this is LHS form of commutative property. A by B into C by D. Multiplication no, so that here I have given into symbol. A by B value minus 5 by 6 into C by D value 8 by 9. Just directly multiply numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. 5 8s are 40. Minus 40. Why? Minus into plus minus. And 5 8s are 40. So minus 40. Here plus into plus. 6 has plus. 9 also has plus. Plus symbol. So I can write plus. 6 9s are 54. So after multiplying we got minus 40 by 54. Just to consider this is 1. Next actually RHS form is C by D into A by B. Instead of C by D you have to take 8 by 9. Instead of A by B minus 5 by 6. Here plus into minus. Minus 8 5s are 40. Denominator 9 6 are 54. Consider this is 2. Compare 1 and 2. From 1 and 2, LHS equal to RHS. Here minus 40 by 54. In RHS also we got minus 40 by 54. So we can say commutative property is true for multiplication. Commutative property is true for multiplication of rational numbers. See this commutative property is not true for division. That means we have to prove this LHS is not equal to RHS. So that I have taken A by B and C by D. Two rational numbers I have taken. A by B as minus 5 by 6. C by D equal to 8 by 9. The same numbers I have taken to prove it is not equal. Okay. Here instead of a by b I have written minus 5 by 6. Divide instead of c by d 8 by 9. If you want to write in product, we have to take reciprocal. Reciprocal of 8 by 9 is 9 by 8. Now we can multiply. Minus into plus, minus 5 9s are 45. And here 6 8s are 48. Consider this is 1. Next, c by d divided by a by b. RHS. C by d divided by a by b. Instead of c by d, 8 by 9 divided by, instead of a by b, minus 5 by 6. So 8 by 9 divided by minus 5 by 6. This one we can write it as into this minus 5 by 6 becomes minus 6 by 5. To write in product, we have to take reciprocal of the denominator. Reciprocal of minus 5 by 6 is minus 6 by 5. Now multiply. Plus into minus, minus 8 6 are 48 and here 9 5s are 45. Now compare 1 and 2. Here we got minus 45 divided by 48. But here what we have in numerator, 48 is there. Minus 48 by 45. Both are not equal. From this we can say commutative property is not true for division. So that only I have proved here. I hope you understood. From this I'll give you a worksheet. Thank you.